Hello everyone. Myself Darshul Mehta. I done BE in EC in the span of 2010 to 2014. So basically, I'm from the non-IT background. So whenever I decided to transfer on IT background, I was thinking that if I was capable to switch over or to understand the basic of that, QA analyst and all the things. But whenever I join a STAD solution, all my doubts were clear. They teach me very good basic concepts and with a practical and real lifetime examples. So with the help of STAD Solution and Miss Richa Mehta, today I selected as a quality analyst in Amplified Technology Private Limited. So I always recommend each and every person who wants to pursue a career in Q analyst, then join STAD Solution. I have make test reports, test finding out so many bugs, test scenarios, test case. So I had a good documentation practice as well as a practical knowledge. So I recommend everyone to join a STAD solution. And in Ahmedabad, I don't think so any another institute teach this much basic concepts with so much easiness, which Ms. Richa Mehta do. So thank you so much and bye.